Hello students, I am Aniket Kaush, your computer teacher, and today we will start session 6, that is using offline blog editors, right? We are in unit 2 and we have already completed session 2 to session 5, right? And now we are in session 6, using offline blog editors. So let's start. If you do not have an active internet connection, you can create blogs using a blog application and publish the blog whenever internet connectivity is available. This I have already told you I think in my last lecture, that in blog editor we have already done blogging, right? In my last class, using the WordPress we have done, but whatever we did was online, right? At that time we did online, but now we will do offline. How offline? Offline means we will install any software on our system and we will do blogging on that, and after that we can, whenever we will connect to the internet, we can publish it online, right? So let's see, there are several free offline blog editors available that can be downloaded and installed on the local computer, such as, so let us see the softwares available for that, the online softwares which are available for that, right? Let us see. Kumana, Windows Live Writer and Blogdesk. These three are just example. There are many softwares which can help you to blog offline, but these are just an example. Kumana, Windows Live Writer and Blogdesk. These three are very famous, right? In this exercise you will learn to use an offline blog editor, Kumana. Kumana is a free blog application that is simple and easy to use. In this exercise you will learn about using Kumana, but actually I am not going to show you Kumana in my system. It is creating some problem, right? So I will show you this Blogdesk, right? This Blogdesk. All these are same, right? The interface are most likely the same, right? So let me show you Blogdesk, how to use Blogdesk offline software for offline blogging, right? So instead of installing Kumana, I have already installed actually. So I will show you what Blogdesk, launching Blogdesk. To launch Kumana, click Start Program Kumana, right, like this, or double click on the icon on the desktop. So let me launch what? Blogdesk, right? So I will click here. Here you can see Blogdesk option, right? If I will click, this is the interface, right? This is the interface of the Blogdesk, right? Let me close this. You need an existing blog account to use with Kumana. In this exercise you will learn how to use your existing WordPress account with Kumana. Enter your WordPress blog address and click next. A login window appears. You need to provide details of your WordPress account and all, and click finish, right? Then a window similar to the one below appears. Then here it opens up. This is the interface of Kumana, and here in this Blogdesk, this is the interface of Blogdesk on which we are working, right? If posts are already available in your blog, Kumana will download and display the existing blogs as well, right? To create a post, click new post. A window similar to the one below will be displayed. You can see the interface of the Kumana and here of this are similar, right? Very, very similar. The options you can see here in the top, the options you can see all this in the top will be what? Similar to that of this Blogdesk. Here you can see the options in the top, right? Okay. Now enter the title. Here what is written here? Enter the title. Enter the title for the post and title field. Post the content in the area, right? And then publish post. And in this interface also, in this interface, you can see, this is the interface of what? Blogdesk. Here also you can see the title section. Here you can see the title section, and then here, whatever content you want to write, you can. Okay. So same thing here also, it is written the same thing. publish post. Once you click publish post, the post will get automatically updated to your WordPress blog. Okay. To view published content, open the web browser and type your blog address. You can include photos or pictures in your blog to make it attractive to insert pictures. All these things. Click browser to locate the image. Okay, this much unpublish the post. Already this is there in this chapter, nothing else, right? Just to download the browser, to download such app, the offline blog editor software like that of the Windows Live editor, or we can say this um, desktop blog desk. Okay, so we have just downloaded it, and we can see the interface here. Title we have to write, like title I am writing you know um, mm, the train I am writing, right? The train, the post about the train. And here um, I like to travel, I like to travel, like this whatever you want to post, you can post. And after this posting, whatever content you are writing, whatever content you are writing, you can take help of this options to make it bold, to make it italic, underline. Okay, for the alignment, left align, right align. To take the ordered list, you can take the help of insert HTML codes. You can insert, right? Insert links. As you have seen, while you see the pages on internet, there are links, right? So that also you can attach the links. You can insert picture. If you want to insert picture, we can take pictures also. We can then publish it directly. Okay, we can save this, whatever we are writing this post, we can save, right? So after all these things, what we can do, after this file option is there, right? File option is there. Let me show you. Here you can see file option is there. Under this you can see publish post option, right? Or manage blog option. Here in this manage blog option, under this manage blog option, you can click on new, right? In new you can write the name of your beautiful name to your blog, right? So here I am writing a train only to my blog. So now next I will click blog address. Blog address. What was my blog address? Wait a minute. I will copy it, right, from the link. Let me first copy. So here is my copy. I will copy this blog address. And now in this, under this file option, under this manage blogs option, under new, I will give the name of the blog, then next, and then blog address, what I will write this. Okay, in the front I will write www dot like this. Then next, in WordPress, my blog is in WordPress, so I will click the WordPress, then next, and entry point here, and then next, login and password. Suppose I will write login ID as 1688 gmail.com. Password like this, whatever password you have given. Log ID whatever blog ID you have, then like this, test upload, next, finish, like this, train. Now this blog is ready, right? Now you can publish this blog when you will be connected to the internet. You can publish this blog, right? You can publish here list of blogs. You can create blogs offline, and from here, whenever you want to open, click open, and here train is there. Okay, you want to whatever is there, if you want to publish, you can publish. ठीक है ना? No block has been selected, right now. So in this way, what you can what you can publish the blocks when you will be connected to the internet, right? So these all softwares gives you lot of facilities so that you can create blocks offline, and then you can make it online whenever internet connection will be there. Okay, so that's it. Let's see the exercise. What all questions are there? Perform the following activity till you are confident. Download. It's very easy to download. You can just write a block test